From jaw-dropping innovations to just plain genius tools, this curated list is designed to transform your cooking experience. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a kitchen novice, these gadgets are sure to elevate your skills and add flair to your meals. Number 10. Self-Heating Lunchbox. The Steam Box, presented in a sophisticated light gray, represents a cutting-edge gadget from Steam Box, redefining mealtime convenience. Constructed with precision using PCABs, food-grade BPA-free, and organic bamboo, this versatile food container seamlessly transitions from indoor to outdoor use. Tailored for kids, it combines leak-resistant and lightweight attributes, accommodating up to 1.6 pounds of food. Compact with dimensions of 6.5-inch depth by 10.5-inch width by 3.5-inch height, it provides a perfect balance of portability and capacity. Rechargeable for up to 3 meals per charge, offering 45 minutes of steaming time, the Steam Box ensures a fresh and nutrient-rich dining experience. Additionally, it's app-connected for seamless control and alerts, making it a safe, leak-proof, and travel-friendly companion for on-the-go nourishment. Number 9. Electric Vegetable Cutter. Kitchen Goods introduces a versatile gadget, the 4-in-1 Vegetable Cutter. This handheld electric cutter combines slicing, cooking, peeling, and cleaning brush functions in a single device, simplifying food preparation. With a user-friendly push-button start, its high-quality ABS and stainless steel construction ensures durability. The filling hole design eliminates the need for pre-cutting, allowing direct insertion of long ingredients. The comfortable grip handle and ergonomic design make it easy to use, while the one-click cleaning feature ensures convenient and quick cleanup. Number 8. Cord Organizer. The Uwakai Cord Organizer, constructed with robust rubber and employing a self-adhesive installation, is a solution to kitchen cord chaos. Designed to combat clutter and safety hazards, it efficiently organizes cords, maintaining kitchen tidiness. With a thicker 5mm rubber build and strong adhesive, it surpasses the durability of 2.5mm alternatives, ensuring a secure hold. Featuring a wider 2.7 centimeters design, it accommodates various appliance cords, suitable for over 70% of small home appliances. Simple one-handed use, quick 24-hour setup, and a 1-year warranty with responsive customer service make it a user-friendly and reliable choice. Number 7. Robot Whisk Jar Opener. In the realm of kitchen convenience, the Emson Robo Twist Deluxe stands out. In a sleek white plastic design, this large-sized jar opener operates automatically, boasting higher torque for effortlessly handling even the most stubborn jar lids. The system, featuring 2 spacious vice grips, adapts to lids ranging from 1.2 to 3.5 inches in diameter. Tailored for those with limited grip strength, including kids and the elderly, this jar opener is a game changer. For compact storage, simply press the button to reset the arms to their innermost position, ensuring a space-saving solution. Number 6. Electric Spin Scrubber. A revolutionary cleaning companion, the electric spin scrubber in elegant white simplifies household chores. Boasting a cordless waterproof design with a 180-degree rotation head, it eliminates the need for bending or kneeling. With 8 replaceable brush heads and 3-speed control, it adapts to diverse cleaning tasks. Rechargeable with a USB-C port and featuring LED lights, this scrubber is a thoughtful gift for more efficient and convenient cleaning. Get ready to transform your cleaning routine with this powerful and versatile tool. Number 5. Chop and Stick. Cutting Board and Cheese Knife Set. The Chop and Stick Lite. Brown bamboo cutting board is a culinary essential. This rectangular board in a pleasing light brown shade is made of eco-friendly bamboo, ensuring durability without harming your knives. The signature magnetic backboard, with its patent-pending magnetic snap for knives, brings joy to your cooking process. It includes a convenient built-in groove for phones or tablets, allowing hands-free use while preparing meals. The set also features a 4-piece cheese knife set, adding flair to your charcuterie presentation. A thoughtful gift for kitchen enthusiasts, this board is ideal for birthdays, graduations, weddings, or housewarmings, offering both style and practicality for years to come. Number 4. Itexity Food Kitchen Scale. Moving on to the Itexity Stainless Steel Scale, this versatile gadget is designed for effortless weighing in various scenarios. With a sleek stainless steel build in a captivating color, this device is ideal for measuring pets, envelopes, jewelry, vegetables, medicines, packages, fruits, and food. The LCD display facilitates easy reading with its backlit screen, and the scale supports 5 units of measurement. Boasting a weight limit of 11 pounds with precise 1G increments, it ensures accurate results. Compact and easy to clean, this scale is a practical addition to any kitchen. Number 3. Gietel Rotary Cheese Grater. Gietel introduces a revolutionary kitchen gadget, the cheese grater, designed for effortless operation and faster shredding. Crafted with premium materials like stainless steel and acrylonitrile butadiene styrene, this gadget features a power suction base and 3 different blades for versatile use. Perfect for cheese and vegetables, it requires no electricity and ensures top-rack dishwasher safety. Gietel's thoughtful design includes a powerful suction base and a transparent barrel to enhance functionality. With a 365-day warranty, this multifunctional grater is a hands-free solution for slicing, shredding, and grinding, making it an ideal gift for any occasion. Number 2. Ninja Creamy Ice Cream Maker. Next is the innovative Ninja Creamy, a silver marvel designed to transform any ingredient into delectable frozen treats. Featuring 7 one-touch programs, it offers versatility from ice cream to sorbet and more. With 800 watts of power, customization is at your fingertips, allowing for unique creations, including keto, dairy-free, and vegan options. The respin function ensures the perfect texture, while Creamify technology guarantees a smooth, creamy consistency. Easy to use and clean, this package includes a motor base, pints, creamerizer paddle, and outer bowl with a lid. Unleash your frozen creativity. Number 1. Lomi Smart Waste Electric Kitchen Composter. In a distinctive Lomi bundle color, the Lomi electric composter revolutionizes kitchen waste management. It's the world's first smart waste electric composter, efficiently converting food scraps into nutrient-rich fertilizer. Specifically designed for easy indoor use, Lomi boasts a user-friendly touch interface, enabling convenient control of the composting process. Utilizing advanced technology, it produces natural fertilizer in under 24 hours, significantly reducing your carbon footprint by up to 127%. Avail the exclusive Amazon bundle today, which includes extra pods and filters for an additional 45 cycles, and embark on a sustainable waste disposal journey with Lomi. That's all for this video.